release from the House of Gallagher. It's a patchouli. And from the note breakdown, we might be getting ourselves a chocolate patchouli note. Oh yeah. Let's get into it. Fragrance family, welcome to the Real Joey channel. I'm your host, Mark. Today, we are unboxing and giving a first impression on Behold Patchouli from the brand of Gallagher Fragrances. Now, is this a great patchouli for fall and winter? We'll find out next. Now, if you're new here, thanks for watching. Subscribe to support me and the channel. Hit that bell so you don't miss a thing. I'm also all over social media under my handle, Robes08. Keep tabs on behind the scenes stuff, including my Scent of the Day post, new purchases, and what I'm currently working on for this YouTube channel. If you have a Facebook account, yes, you can hang out and check out my own personal page, but I also have a Facebook group called Fragrance Guru Nation, and we're up to 18,000 members where we discuss fragrances, new releases, people buy, sell, swap, even split fragrances, and a great source of information if you're in this hobby like I am. Now, for complete disclosure, this was sent to me by Daniel. He's just been constantly sending me his new releases to me. So thank you to you, Daniel. And I look forward to giving my initial thoughts today on this one. Now, this one was actually just released and loving the note of patchouli. I absolutely love it. It's great for fall and winter. And I'm really looking forward to this release from him. So no more talking. Let's start unboxing. And this one, as you can see or not, always has some of the notes here in the front. So I'm going to name them off: orange citruses, frankincense, chocolate, patchouli, honeyed amber, and musk. So already, nice note breakdown. I like that. I'm anticipating a chocolatey patchouli, but we'll see. And this is a, what is this? A 30 ml bottle. I think I mentioned this in my last one with Gallagher Fragrances, that I really think this is perfect for fragrance reviewers with collections like mine. I'm never going to go through, well, 30 mils, I'm definitely not going to go through a 100 ml bottle, but 30 mils is just perfect. And if I really like the fragrance, then maybe I'll have to double dip and get another bottle. So Behold Patchouli. Let's sniff this one out and let's see if I do get that chocolatey patchouli feel. And I'm assuming there's going to be a citrus touch up top because of the oranges. Let's see what I get from Behold Patchouli. Ooh. Bright orange, but at the same time, a chocolatey backbone. Immediately makes me think of those chocolate oranges. It has a powdered chocolate feel to the fragrance. Not necessarily, yeah, very much orange up top. You cannot miss that. Very much, actually, lots of oranges here. This is almost a primary note in the opening, but there's the backbone of it, the powdered chocolatey take. It has some sweetness, of course. But very much, yeah, those smashing chocolate oranges that you think about, that's straight up what I'm getting out of this. I'm not getting much of the dankness or the patchouli here. I'm not getting much of the green or the dankness of patchouli. I know patchouli does give different types of senses, and I know chocolate is one of them. And here it is doing it, but the chocolate feels more of a powdered chocolate, like I said, more gourmandish than anything, but definitely orange, orange chocolate feel up top. Think, what was that one? Ultra Zest. Yeah, it kind of smells like Ultra Zest from Mugler. That's where it's coming from. Orange, very much more authentic, I would have to say. It has more facets to the orange. And the chocolate's more up front and center, actually, to be quite honest. Wow. Very interesting scent up top. I would have to put it on skin. I can't wait to do a pop the cherry on this one and let you know a little bit more. But that opening, very interesting. Not a new idea per se. Better made than the Ultra Zest, of course. Definitely very interesting release. I think this one's going to do well, especially if you want like an orange touch, but you kind of want it in the fall that has like a gourmandy take. The chocolatey take here is very interesting, very well done, very well balanced with the citrus opening. Yeah, that's all I'm getting here. So Gallagher Fragrances, honestly, I like this one. Again, when you're thinking, if you're not looking at the note breakdown, you're thinking patchouli, this is probably the last thing you'd be thinking, smelling this. It's more orange based than anything, of course, with that chocolatey patchouli backbone. I can't wait to try this one out more on skin. Now that you've heard my take, I'd like to see those comments being flooded down below. I'd love to see your comment on Behold Patchouli. If you have smelt this fragrance, definitely, I appreciate it. And people watching the video always, when I'm watching videos, I'm always scrolling down the comments because I want to see what other people are saying about the fragrance in particular. So please help us out and post a comment. And to Daniel, again, merci beaucoup. Thank you very much for this one. I think this one's going to get some play from me. I can't wait to see what the dry down is going to give me on this one. As always, a greater pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your orange patchouli-based fragrance wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.